Welcome to an animation of angles in standard position, and the goal of the video is to illustrate angles in standard position. Remember, if an angle is in standard position, the initial side of the angle is on the positive x-axis, and as we rotate the terminal side of the angle counterclockwise, one revolution would represent 360 degrees. If we rotate clockwise, we would have negative angles. So let's rotate counterclockwise slowly, and what we'll notice, say for example 4 degrees, is 1/90th of one complete revolution, or one hole. We also see the conversion into radians, pi over 45 radians. And as we slowly increase the angle again, you can see the fraction of the whole revolution that it represents, as we also see the measure in degrees. Once we reach 90 degrees, or a right angle, we can see that's 1/4 of a whole revolution, or pi over 2 radians. This is also called a quadrantal angle because the terminal side of the angle lies on one of the axes. And as we rotate now, we're looking at obtuse angles. Here we have a straight angle, another quadrantal angle. Is 1/2 of a revolution, or 180 degrees, or pi radians. As we continue, now we have reflex angles, and then we reach 270 degrees, which is another quadrantal angle, or 3/4 of a revolution, and then we finally reach a full angle, or one complete revolution. Again, if we were to do the same thing but go clockwise this time, we would represent negative angles. So there's negative 90 degrees, which is negative 1/4 of a revolution. Again, negative because we're going clockwise. And so on. This is very similar to what we just saw, except now the angles have a negative measure, negative degrees and negative radians. Now notice that we are looking at the unit circle because r is equal to 1, but r does not have to be 1. It could be any circle, so if we increase the radius, it will change where the terminal side intersects the circle, but of course it's not going to affect the angle. So we've seen a lot of different angles in center position. I hope you found this animation helpful.